Welcome to another episode of $1 Million Lifestyles with Danielle and Vanya from your Georgian Bay Dream Team. This is 17 Bluebird Lane in Tiny Township. Let's show you around.
We're standing in this gourmet kitchen, which includes all appliances and a wine cooler.
This is one of the most popular models in newer homes. It's a raised bungalow where you have master bedroom on one side of the house and your guest bedrooms on the other side of the house with their own bathroom. Once you move to Tiny Township, I assure you, you're gonna have family visiting. This home is located so close to the beach, and for your extra guests, there's a full basement with an extra two-piece bathroom.
There's so many upgrades here. Just to mention a few, we have a forced-air gas furnace, in-floor hot water radiant heat, central air, 200 amp service, a Generac generator, and irrigation for the backyard. This property is huge. It includes a circular driveway, an extra space that is paved for your RV or your boat. It's fully fenced and entertainment ready.
We hope you enjoyed the tour. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't miss any other tours of our fabulous homes.